beautiful people, I'm back.
I don't even know where to start. Like, it's great. The floor is just like craziness. So yeah, let's get this day started. Let's be productive and let's get this pantry organized.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
So I just cleaned up this spot just a little bit. Got mostly cleansers, light bulb replacements, that nature, but that looks a little bad.
And I'm excited, so let's do this.
Yeah, from that moment I knew it could only be you. I wrote your name up on my wall, circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone.
Hello, beautiful people. I am done. The pantry is complete. I'm about to show you the final results. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I appreciate you guys, and hey, I'm back. Let's go take a look at the finished product.
We could have let it all slide. Yeah, I'm working on the problems. Oh, you really leaving me for someone else. I want to let you go. You can call my name and I'll come running back to you. Running back to you. I'll come running back. You can call my name and I'll come running back to you. Running back. I'll come running back to you. Call my name, 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 back to you.
This is the final look. It's like a little mini grocery store. I like it. The only thing I think I would change would be I might get a container to put like seasoning packets in. I think that would be pretty cool. And oh, like my smoothie packets. If I could just get one clear bin from like Amazon or something, and probably one more to put loose items like the kids snack section in. That would be kind of nice. I hope I have motivated some of my friends out there if they want to do something similar or kind of organize it. But it doesn't have to be your pantry. It could be a closet or some cabinets in your kitchen that need to be cleaned out. It could be anything, but just giving you a little motivation, and that's a wrap. So have a great day. Hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.